Process Overview, you have the possibility to display your values in 4 different ways: scheme, analog, list, and graphs. You have an overview of the measuring points as you can find them on the measuring module. In addition, the energy, the delta T, and the delta P are also displayed on the left. In the Process Overview analog, the measured values are visualized with those pointers. This allows you to quickly see if you are in your set tolerances. Green means it is in the limit, red means it is not. In the next view, all values are listed. Here we have an overview of all values. All measured data are displayed in tabular form. In the right-hand area, they are also displayed as color-coded bars. In the Process Overview graphs, the data is displayed as a curve. Select the desired graph by moving the cursor position. Now you can read the selected value. By pinching, you can zoom freely into the graph. Below the graph you will find 2 different icons. They can be used to zoom out and to switch to the previous view.